Welcome to Riz English Channel.
Imagine this. You meet a friendly English speaker. You want to talk. You want to say something, but your words feel slow. Your mind feels blocked. Today, we will fix that together. Today, you will learn how to improve your English fluency fast. Welcome to the Riz English Channel.
Hello everyone. I'm so happy you're here. I'm Riz, your English guide.
And I'm Zoe. I'm excited, but also a little nervous. Fluency sounds like a big word. It is a big word, but the meaning is simple. Fluency means speaking smoothly and easily, like water, flowing.
I want my English to flow like water.
And it will, step by step. And to our listeners, if you want your English to feel natural, stay with us. We will help you. And we will have fun.
Fun is good. I learn better with fun.
Me too! Okay, let's start with a little warm-up. Zoe, how are you today?
I'm good. A little hungry. I didn't eat breakfast.
Again? Zoe, breakfast is important.
I know, but I woke up late.
Listeners, repeat these simple phrases. I'm good. I'm hungry. I woke up late.
I'm hungry. Yes, very hungry.
Great job. Easy daily phrases. Use them often. Now, mini hook for you. There is one secret to fluency many learners never hear. One very important secret. Do you want to know?
Yes, tell me.
The secret is simple. Speak more, but listen first. Listen a lot, then speak.
Oh, so listen first, speak later.
Exactly. When you listen, you learn rhythm, tone, and natural expressions. Your brain absorbs English like a sponge. Then speaking becomes easier.
That actually makes sense. I listen, I understand, then I speak.
Yes. Listeners, say it out loud. Listen first, speak later.
Listen first, speak later.
Beautiful. Now let's talk about how to speak more. Here is another little hook. There is a tiny phrase that helps you speak longer even when you don't know many words. Do you know what it is?
Maybe I don't know?
Actually, yes, that's the phrase. I don't know. It's simple, but it keeps the conversation going. For example, someone asks, "What do you think?" You can say, "I don't know, but maybe."
Oh, I like that. I don't know, but maybe. Very useful.
Listeners, repeat with us. I don't know, but maybe.
I don't know, but maybe.
Great. Use this when you need time to think. It helps you sound confident and natural. Mini recap. Listen first, speak later, and use I don't know, but maybe to continue speaking.
That recap helps. My brain needs simple steps.
Good. Now, let's practice fluency with a small story. Stories help your brain learn naturally. Are you ready?
Yes, story time.
Great. Listeners, imagine this. Zoe is in a small cafe. She wants coffee, but she is shy to order in English.
That is so true. I get shy in cafes.
She walks to the counter and says, "Hi, can I have a coffee, please?"
Very simple.
Yes, very easy. Repeat it with us. Can I have a coffee, please?
Can I have a coffee, please?
The barista smiles and says, "Of course. Small or large?"
And I say, oh no, choices.
Exactly. Many learners freeze here, but we have a simple phrase for fluency. You can say, "Small, please," or "Large, please?
Easy. Small, please.
Great! Now the barista asks, with milk?
And I say, yes, with milk. Or no milk.
You got it. Listeners, repeat after us. With milk? No milk.
With milk, no milk.
Excellent. And now Zoe gets her coffee. She says, thank you.
And the barista says, you're welcome.
And that's it. A simple cafe conversation. You see, fluency doesn't need big words. Just simple phrases you know well.
I like this story. I feel more confident ordering coffee now.
That's the power of practice. And now, a question for our listeners. What would you order in a cafe? Think about it. Say it out loud. Can I have? Then add your drink.
Can I have a hot chocolate, please?
Nice choice. Okay, let's learn another fluency trick. Mini hook again. Many learners speak slowly because they try to translate in their head. But there is one phrase that helps you relax and keep talking. Want to hear it?
Yes, tell me.
The phrase is, let me think.
Oh, I love that. Let me think.
Yes, when you say, let me think, you give yourself time. You control the conversation. You stay calm.
Let me think. Yes, that feels good.
Listeners, repeat. Let me think.
Let me think.
Perfect. Many recap. Can I have? With milk? No milk. I don't know, but maybe. Let me think. These create natural fluency.
I feel like my English is already improving.
It is! You're doing great! Now let's do a short practice game. I'll ask a question. Zoe answers. Listeners answer too.
Okay, game time.
Question 1. What drink do you like?
Let me think. I like tea.
Good! Listeners, say your answer out loud. Great job. Question 2. What time do you wake up?
I don't know, but maybe 8 a.m.?
Very natural. Now your turn. Say your answer. Good. Last question. What do you do when you feel nervous in English?
I breathe, I smile, and I say simple words.
Perfect. Remember, listeners, simple words are powerful.
Yes, very powerful.
Now it's time for our final summary. Repeat after me. Listen first, speak later. Let me think. I don't know, but maybe. Can I have? With milk? No milk.
These phrases are so useful.
They really are. Use them every day. Speak a little every day. You will grow fast.
You can do it, everyone. Really.
Thank you for listening to our podcast today. If you liked this episode, please share it, subscribe, and keep practicing with us.
We love learning with you.
And remember, your English will grow when you enjoy the process. Keep going. Keep smiling.
And keep speaking, even a little.
See you next time, friends.
Thank you for watching.
Like, share, and subscribe.
To keep learning English the smart way.